On page 256, we are going to look at, question number 3. So question number 3 says, if I have 120 milliliters of calcium nitrate, they give us the concentration, we mix it with 35 milliliters of sodium fluoride. They want us to predict whether or not a precipitate of calcium fluoride will occur. And they've given us the Ks of calcium fluoride, and it is 3.45 times 10 to the negative 11. So first step, we're looking at our calcium fluoride. Let's show this, write the equilibrium equation for this. So remember, we just split our two ions up and we've got them there. So our ionic product for this will be the concentration of calcium times the concentration of fluoride squared. So we obviously need these two values. So I'm just going to set this over here and I'm going to get this information. So first of all, if I have my calcium, where's my calcium coming from? It is coming from the 120 milliliters of 1.74 times 10 to the negative 4 moles per liter. That was the concentration. That's what I'm trying to find. Had 120 mils divided by my new volume, because this has been diluted since I've mixed two liquids together. So we now have 155 mils. So that is, on your calculator, 1.74 times 10 to the negative 4 times 120 divided by 155, and you will have 1.347 times 10 to the negative 4. I might actually go one more decimal space just to keep that, because that is going to be plugged in over here. Now I need my fluoride ions. So my concentration of my fluoride is coming from the 35 mils I had of 6.5 times 10 to the negative 5. We've diluted it down, so it was a very small amount in a much larger volume. So I'm going to put that in my calculator, find the new concentration, 1.4677 times 10 to the negative 5. So these are the two values that I'm going to bring over here and plug into my IP expression. So I've got my concentration of my calcium and my concentration of my fluoride. So we're just going to put them in. Oops, sorry, that's not the new one. 3471 and 14677. Don't forget to square this one. So this value is actually still on my calculator, so I'm just going to square it and then times it by this. Probably best to remember to put things in brackets when you're working on these. And so my final answer for my IP is 2.90 times 10 to the negative 14. That's my IP. So not quite finished yet, because we still need to see if we're going to have a precipitate. So remember, we're going to compare my IP to my Ks. And my IP is 10 to the negative 14, where my Ks is only 10 to the negative 11. So my IP is less than the Ks. Therefore, no precipitate. And that's how you do number 3.